Hyderabad, the city of pearls, is the fourth largest metropolis in the country with a rich historic heritage. Be it hospitality, be it technology, or be it education, Hyderabad is the chosen destination for many of us. The capital of Telangana foresees a vibrant future through the eyes of a visionary leader, our Honorable Chief Minister Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao. His ideology in turning Hyderabad as a global city is path-breaking, and in no time the leader envisions to build the skyscrapers across the Hussain Sagar region of Hyderabad, adding value to state's tourism department. These skyscrapers, with their unparalleled reflections onto the waters of Hussain Sagar Lake, will surely bring out splendid views to the city. His unique thought processes, ingenious problem-solving methodologies, his holistic approach for building a better society has made him CNN IPN Indian of the Year under People's Choice category, and every Telanganite is proud of this achievement. Sharing the similar vision and ideologies, we are MPM Group from Hyderabad, one of the largest private sector construction companies in India with a specialization in pioneering large-scale civil constructions and developing new-age construction technologies. We are driven to perfection by our consolidated vision and mission. We take pride in introducing several firsts in the industry, creating a breakthrough in the industry and in the city. MPM Group was the one to introduce the first mall to the Hyderabadis. MPM's Quality Residency was the first ISO 9002 certified pure vegetarian hotel in its category. Located in the center of the Hyderabad City Park Hotel from MPM Group, MPM Millennium Mall is a truly world-class piece of architectural and engineering excellence. Located in the epicenter of Hyderabad at Himayat Nagar, Hyderabad's first luxury mall, Times Square, is MPM's prestigious upcoming project at the most prime location of Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Circle. That's not all, and more than 5 lakh square feet is getting ready for an appreciation. Vasavi's MPM Grand Mall at the commercial hub of Hyderabad, Ameerpet. The big, the ultra, the magnificent is just heading out soon. Presenting Telangana's very own first iconic landmark, MPM Presidential Towers, formerly TBR Mills. Standing tall, touching the skies, this skyscraper will surely stand out as a Manhattan of Hyderabad. In accordance with our beloved Chief Minister Shri KCR's ideology in building a global city, we are coming up with an iconic skyscraper, first of its kind in the nation, loaded with top-notch retail spaces, high-end entertainment zones, multiplexes, and extravagantly designed commercial and residential components, all at one place. This prodigious high-rise project is soon going to turn as a valuable yield for the state government with umpteen tax revenues. The project also facilitates millions of direct and indirect employment opportunities for the locals to associate and work together. We take pleasure in requesting the Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri KCR Garu, to extend his support for this humongous skyscraper project, the new Manhattan priding Telangana. With a positive mindset and holistic efforts, we step ahead in transforming a dream to reality. MPM Group, commitment personified.